In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord overlay not working issue. So, if you can't see the game overlay option in Discord or the overlay is not appearing in your games, I'll show you several methods to fix it. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Discord application on your computer. Now click on the user settings icon in the bottom left corner. From the left-hand menu, scroll down until you see Game Overlay and click on it. Now make sure the option called Enable In-Game Overlay is turned on. You should also enable the option called Enable Legacy Overlay. Once you've done that, click on Registered Games from the left-hand side. Here you should see the games that Discord has detected. If your game is not showing, make sure the game is currently open in the background. For example, I'm just going to open Roblox here. Now head back to Discord and your game should appear in the list. Once it appears, make sure the overlay detection icon is enabled. If the icon is disabled, just click on it to turn it on. Now, if your game still doesn't appear, click on Add It and manually select your game from the list. If the overlay is still not working, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. Scroll all the way down and click on Advanced. Now find the option called Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Discord will ask to restart, so click Restart. After Discord reopens, check if the overlay is now working. If it still isn't fixed, completely close Discord. Now open Settings on your computer. Go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Search for Discord from the list. Click on the three dots next to Discord and select Uninstall. After Discord has been removed, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Discord and install the Microsoft Store version instead. Once Discord finishes installing, right-click on Discord and select Run as Administrator. Now launch your game again and check if the overlay is working. Also keep in mind that not every game supports the Discord overlay, especially some older games. And for best compatibility, make sure your game is running in either windowed or borderless windowed mode instead of full screen. And that's how you can fix the Discord overlay not working issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials and Windows fixes.